Hi, this is KHIT Tutorials. I'll just make a short introduction to my new upcoming project. Um, this project will be about how to install Counter-Strike Source server on your home computer or home server or what you want to call it. I'll just give you a short introduction to what it's going to be about and what you need to know when watching these tutorials. I will maybe of course mention everything that I'm going to talk about in tutorials in this video. Also, I will mention the things you need to be aware of in the actual tutorial video. Um, well, um, as I said, it would be about installing Counter-Strike Source server on your Windows PC. I have done this already, so I'll show you how it's done, and these files are for my next tutorial, which will show you how to install the server. The video will be in two parts as it's quite long, although I have cut out all the unnecessary parts of the video, such as the downloading process and whatsoever is on the waiting list. So in this it will be about 5 to 10 videos covering everything from configuring your network settings and firewall, and also how to configure your router, and installing the server, and setting up admin plugins, and on all and some other plugins that could be nice to have on your server, and plugins for those plugin managers I will install, and also we should end up with the final product should be a fully working Counter-Strike Source deathmatch server running the latest versions of all plugins and plugin managers available that are needed to run the server. And when the product is finished for the tutorials, I will make a review video showing you just in a few short sequences what we've done and whatsoever. So I just want to introduce you to a website which makes the router configuration a lot easier for you, and they also have a tool for you to test if you have set everything in your router right. So I will probably mention this site in your in the tutorial about setting up the router. So just go on to portforward.com. You need to make port forwarding. So we go into a router list, and here you need to have your the name of your router. I'm running a D-Link router, so I'm just gonna find my D-Link router here. So here we have D-Link. No, sorry, not here. Why isn't my router? We have it. D-Link DIR 600. That's my router. So, and it's just an ad. You can just skip that. And here we have a list of applications you can get help setting up correct. So we're gonna find. So you have all kinds of games, Call of Duty and whatsoever. So we're gonna find Counter-Strike Source down here in the list. So Counter-Strike Source. Also, it's a good idea to download their port checker tool and to have a static IP address on for your server. So this is for the stock software on your my router. I have installed a third-party system which runs a lot more smooth than the original version. So it just shows you here what ports to forward and how to do it in the default router firmware system. So that's just it. And a good thing to do after you have done this is to download the report checking program. Also have a guide to how to use it here, so to check if everything is set up correctly. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys want to watch my my project videos on how to install Counter-Strike Source. Of course, I will make project videos about other things, but just to have something covered that I like to play in my spare time is Counter-Strike Source. So, and also Call of Duty, but Counter-Strike Source is very easy to create a server for. So, and you can, there's a lot of features in it. So that's what I want to make my first project about. Also, for this part with my project videos, comment if you have any questions. Send me a mail through my webpage or private message on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel if you have any interest in watching my videos or just like them. So thanks for watching.